we are living to divert ourselves because we're just not living in alignment with self. Happens with spending money. It could be eating, it could be like crazy workout or a workaholic. It comes out in different places where they're just distractions of the life that we are living to divert ourselves because we're just not living in alignment with self. Right? But when you're in alignment with self, like being on the beach, right? Because you love being on the beach, or working with plants, or designing athletic wear, right? Like when you're doing those things, like then you're just like, okay, we have all this push marketing that's going out in the world right now, right? Like it's on the buses, it's on the billboards, it's on the train, like everything. Even like now my gas pump talks to me like, what the fuck? I'm like, I don't want somebody jarring me the minute I get out of my car to pump my gas. But that's push marketing. Push it in front of them. Push, 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 right? How we've learned to do business is by pushing, right? And it's like, let's block and tackle. Well, but when you set the intention, this is the pull. It's like, be authentic, be who you are, and then you're going to pull and draw everything to you. It's a lot less stress. It's a lot less, you don't have cortisol then shooting through your system, screwing with your health. But when you set the intent of what you want to create, and then once it aligns, you step into it, that's it. You're drawing it to you. It's kind of like I had a client that I told you guys about before. She's a psychologist, and I said, how do you get your clients? And she goes, oh, and she just walks over to the window. She goes, okay, I'm ready for the next 10. Just bring them to me. And I was like, this lady's smoking crack. Like it was the early part of my career. And I was like, huh? Literally, that's exactly what she did. And she's very successful for it. And she makes about 200 grand a year being a therapist. And she's like, this is the way I do it. And I was like, huh? But that's how you pull it to you. You set the intention, and then you don't accept the things that you don't want. Right? And that's okay. Right? And just know that you're going to continue to get pressed in terms of your patterning in all of this, right? And you're kind of you're in your inside, you're going to be like, okay, like I kind of want to go that way, but I can't anymore exactly how I used to because I've shifted and I've changed. But you're going to be able to recognize, right? Because you're not going to be able to go fully back to the old way because you've already shifted enough, right? And then, because this is really about, so now the lotus flower is there. Now it's about opening the flower up. Do you want to experience free coaching based on my 25 plus years as being a financial planner and ask me any question that you want to ask me to help you get past that hurdle in your financial world? I run these free workshops every other month to start to open you up, to start to help you get to this next place. The information for my free workshop, click the link below and register, and I'll see you on the next workshop. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and like and subscribe to the channel. Why? Because then you can get more knowledge all the time and be a part of a community that's actually going to lift you up.